Justin's asleep. Let's go wake him up. Quick, there's a surprise Star Wars egg for you.
What?
Do you want to go open it?
Yes. Whoa! It's a Star Wars egg! A surprise egg! Yes! Let's open it! All right, I wonder what could be inside. Brand new Star Wars The Force Awakens egg. Now! Dude! Oh, what's the first thing in here? Get it out. It's a Star Wars poster! Yeah! Let's... Oh! Hurry, open this. Whoa! It's Kylo Ren! And the Stormtroopers. Let's put it up. That's epic. Wow. What else is in here? What's next? It's a Star Wars Darth Vader Disney Infinity! Oh man, I wonder what could be next. Take it out. There's just so much stuff in this egg. Wow! Oh! What is that? This is a Star Wars Ewok Galactic Hero Adventure. Ah! A Star Wars Ewok Galactic Heroes Adventure playset. Wow. What's next, Andrew? It's a talking Yoda! Oh! Get him, Yoda! Say something! What is this? What is it? Oh my, Andrew. What? It's Star Wars Fruit Snacks, the value pack from Disney. What? Get these open now! Let's try some. They're dropping them! Man, I have a sugar rush now. Thanks, Star Wars. These are chewy. Here's what's next. Oh! It's R2d2 Puppet! No way! Yeah. You lost, dude! It's too big for this egg! I need help. Ah! Whoa! Is this R2d2? Yeah, this is a life-size R2d2. What is it though? Just... his head turns, it's epic. Wow. Actually, guys, we just figured out that this is actually just a, like, collectible character. It doesn't really do anything. It's a talking BB-8! This is a BB Bop Beep. Watch. What does it do? Squeeze. Squeeze hard. Just... try again. Oh! There's something else in here. What is it? Ah! It's just a Star Wars Blade Builder new lightsaber. Careful with that thing. Whoa! Sorry? Look, this is the green lightsaber. Time for a Star Wars Fruit Snacks break. Oh! It's this! It comes with a blaster. This is a First Order Special Forces TIE Fighter, which is on my side. Hot Wheels. The dark side. It's a Hot Wheels set, and then, what? Ah! What is that, Andrew? Light up balloons. Whoa. Which one do you want? Whoa. Ow!
Wow, these are cool balloons.
These are actually cool in the dark.
Yeah. Hey, stop that.
These balloons light up. These are Star Wars masks. Huh? There's 8 different masks in here.
Give it now!
Which one do you want?
Chewbacca!
Here. I'm gonna be a man. Ow.
My nose doesn't fit.
You push it in. Wow.
Hey guys! TIE fighter going inbound. We have a bad guy coming in sector 2. Chewie, shut up.
Whoa. Now I'm a stormtrooper. I'm like you.
Yep. Oh, my ear! Uh-oh, feels like it's the last present.
No! What could it be?
It's a Lego thing.
Is that Jango Fett?
This is Jango Fett. You build him, and they will come.
Well, guys, thanks for watching this Star Wars egg unboxing with all the Star Wars toys.
The new Force Awakens Star Wars egg.
Star Wars is not a sponsor, but if you want any of these toys, just go to your local store and you can find them.
Yeah.
And let us know if you guys want us to do more egg surprise videos.
If you do, leave a comment.
And a like.
Just say, we want eggs.
This is the end. Oh. Goodbye.
It's them. Blast them. Blast them.
Star Wars!
Ah!
First we have Yellow, who is C-3PO. Next we have a green Yoda. Now it's time to put all of these fruit snacks in my mouth.